Good morning, traders. It's me Ali, and I warmly welcome all of you on WikiFX YouTube channel. Guys, taking a look at the precious metal gold, there has been a dramatic dip in the precious metal gold. If you guys can recall, we were discussing about the upward channel that had been formed on the 1 hourly time frame of gold. That was providing support somewhere around 1946 level, and the violation of this particular channel was supposed to trigger sell-off until 1937, and below this we were expecting gold prices to go after 1925 level. But anyways, there has been a more dramatic dip in the precious metal gold, and the reason behind such a massive dip was there are a couple of things involved. First of all, Fed Chair Jerome Powell had a speech yesterday, and there were other speeches from the other officials of the central banks, officials of the Federal Reserve. So they all indicated that no rate cut is needed anymore, not yet for now. So they made US dollar stronger, while at the same time there was a remarks from the Donald Trump, the president of United States. He also discussed about how the officials of Federal Reserve are rejecting his suggestions to make exchange rate balance. The thing is that the Federal Reserve made US dollar pretty much stronger, which is why like we are seeing that the stronger dollar makes the precious metal gold expensive for the foreign investors. So that was one of the fundamental reason behind such a massive dip in the precious metal gold. While on the other hand, the 50 periods exponential moving average, or I must say that the series of exponential moving averages, are also indicating here the bearish crossover, and they were suggesting a strong selling bias in the market. Second thing. Now the third thing is that the gold has already violated the upward channel here that we formed yesterday. If you guys can take a look at our previous video, you will find that we discussed about the upward channel that has already been violated. So this has also driven such a massive dip, but this particular sharp dip was like supported or driven due to the hawkish Federal Reserve speeches. So fourth, on the fourth number we have MACD. The MACD histograms were forming bigger and bigger below like below zero, and as you can see the histograms are bigger than the previous histograms in the past. So this is showing that the price action or the bearish sentiment was very much stronger. For the moment, we have to keep an eye on 1920 level. Like for example, if we try to form the Fibonacci retracement level here, let me change the color so that it will be more visible, because right now it's not visible at all. So let me change the color of this one. It should be black. um, Black. All right. Okay, it seems fine now. Alright, so here's the thing. The market, as we can see here, the market has already completed 38.2% Fibonacci retracement at 1902 level, which is now working as a support level for the precious metal gold. And on the higher side, the next resistance that the precious metal gold is likely to face is 50 pairs exponential moving, the Fibonacci level. Right now the market is facing resistance at this particular level, and the violation of this level is likely to lead gold prices until 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level. So guys, with that being said, on the further higher side, the precious metal gold is also likely to find a resistance around 1938, and on the lower side the support stays at 1880 level. Guys, 1880 is the same level that had like provided the resistance to the precious metal gold for quite a few times now. For example, even if I form a upward trend line, you will observe that This is linking, um, one time it linked there, so it provided support here, support here. This level is 1866, but again the closings were seen above 1888 level. So at again, next time market fell down to place low, it placed the low around 1904 level. But again, if you see here, the market is again staying supported somewhere around 1900 or 1888 level. So again, once again, the market has dropped down to place the low level somewhere around 1888 level. So this 1888 level is working as a very nice support for the precious metal gold. So today the idea is going to be to stay bullish above 1908 level, because there is likely to be bullish correction in the market, while the sellings I believe should be seen below 1938 level, or below 1908 level until 1880 level. So guys, that's pretty much it about the precious metal gold. Stay tuned to WikiFX YouTube channel, and guys, do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon button, because there are going to be more trade setup that can help you capture quick 40-50 pips in the market. So see you guys soon. Bye everyone, thank you so much. That's all. Have a very nice weekend. See you guys next week with more forecast videos. Take care guys. Bye bye.